What is the difference between preliminary and detailed cost estimation in construction? Have you ever wondered how construction projects get their budgets set? The process involves two key stages: preliminary cost estimation and detailed cost estimation. Each stage plays a unique role and is based on different levels of information. Let's break it down. Preliminary cost estimation happens early in a project, often when the idea is still forming. At this stage, the estimate is broad and rough, relying on limited information like the general size and location of the project. It uses historical data from similar projects or simple calculations, such as cost per square foot. Because of this limited data, the accuracy of these estimates is not very high, usually ranging from plus or minus 20% to plus or minus 30%. This means there is a lot of uncertainty involved. The main purpose of this estimate is to help stakeholders determine if the project is financially valuable before committing significant time and resources to detailed planning. Preparing a preliminary estimate can take just a few hours to a couple of days. Now let's talk about detailed cost estimation. This occurs later in the project timeline, typically after the design is nearly complete. At this point, the estimate is much more precise. It breaks down the project scope into specific quantities of materials, labor, equipment, and overhead costs. Detailed estimates use complete design documents, which allows for a much higher accuracy level, usually within plus or minus 3% to plus or minus 10%. This precision is essential for final budgeting, competitive bidding, contract negotiations, and ongoing cost control during construction. However, preparing a detailed estimate takes considerably longer, often several weeks to months, as it requires thorough quantity takeoffs and detailed cost analysis. For those pursuing a career in construction, understanding both types of estimates is vital. Early in a project, professionals like project managers or estimators relying on preliminary estimates to guide feasibility studies and initial budgeting. As the project moves forward, quantity surveyors, cost engineers, or detailed estimators create detailed estimates that form the financial foundation for procurement and construction management. Mastering both estimation types allows construction professionals to manage project risks effectively and maintain stakeholder confidence, ensuring that projects remains within budget from start to finish. In summary, preliminary cost estimation is a quick, broad estimate used early on, while detailed cost estimation is a thorough breakdown used later for precise budgeting and cost control. Both are essential for successful project delivery in the construction industry.